What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update on AMP, which has taken a little bit of a drop over the last 24 hours since its pump yesterday. As you can see guys, it's been dropping quite a bit, so we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep dropping, or is there going to be another pump anytime soon over the coming hours or even in the coming days, and looking at its next target over the coming hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Yes, AMP has been getting a lot of attention over the last couple of days, but right now it is taking a little bit of a drop, a little bit of a break. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, do expect it to drop down in value, and that is exactly what's happened. So where is it heading to next? And we're also going to be looking at, is it time to buy the dip right now, or should you wait for it to drop further, or is it just time to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours. And yes, even though AMP is technically up over the last 24 hours, just about 3%, we can see since yesterday afternoon where it was 38% up, it's taken quite of a drop. As you can see, it was trading above 0.08 cents and right now has dropped to 0.06 cents in target. So over the week it has done a huge 40%. As you can see, last few days major pumps in value, and over the month it is up 35%. Going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 81%, making it $164 million in trading, which is again a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on AMP. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning more and more people will start to look into the project and investing into it, and others will also be taking out their profits, selling it, and also holding on to it. So essentially that's why the volume has been going up over the last few days. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.005 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 0.006 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what we're going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the orange line clearly heading towards a bearish direction, looking quite negative, and the blue line is slightly slanting towards the positive direction, nothing too major. And again, that means both the lines are going in opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, AMP should be trading around the 0.006 to 0.007 cents target, somewhere in between here. Yes, it is likely to pump up a little bit in between, nothing too crazy, and then drop back down in value. So yes, do expect it to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so more or less fluctuating at its current price range. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're not looking too great. We've got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards a negative direction, and the exact same rule applies here. If you guys have been watching my videos on AMP, you would know, not just AMP but my cryptocurrency videos in general, you would know that whenever a MACD indicator is looking this steep, either in a positive or negative direction, that means it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep heading towards a negative direction is because of the drop it's been going through over the last 12-14 hours, as you can see here. So yes, over the coming days, so let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from AMP guys. So potentially heading to the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting by mid to end of next week, so over the next 7 to 8 days. And again, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to hit red days. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, today was very likely is going to be a red day for AMP, and yes it is, but it's likely to carry on over the next few days before it slowly starts to pump back up in value by early to mid next week, hitting about 1 cent 1 cent towards the very end of next week. Now moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you can see guys, the blue and the orange line are going in a bullish direction. So let's say by the mid to late April 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from AMP. As you can see here, it's been delayed a little bit, the screen, but yeah, the blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is expected. And again, at this point, we should be trading around the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting overall by late April 2023. So over the next 2 months approximately guys, we should be trading or heading towards the 3 cents target, very close to that target. And again guys, it may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, if it manages to stay on the green side and perform like it has been performing over the last 2 months since the start of 2023, it should be very good guys, and we should be able to hit huge targets over the next 2 to 3 months, heading to around the 2 to 3 cents target towards the end of April 2023. But again, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is and how such little news can have a major impact on the crypto market, either in a positive or negative way. But either way guys, I'm here to keep you guys updated on the not just AMP but the crypto market in general as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for AMP guys. Unfortunately for the short-term people or short-term traders, shall I say, it's not looking too good, because I am expecting it to drop further over the coming days before it slowly starts to gain value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and yes guys, to hit the resistance target to head into the green zone, we're gonna have to hit the green line here, which is 3 cents, which I did mention earlier on in the video. I'm expecting AMP to hit 3 cents by late April, so hopefully we should be able to see that. But again, you guys have asked for regular updates on AMP, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, because there may be any news or updates or collaborations, partnerships that AMP may have going on that can have a major impact, and the only way to find out is to watch my videos, which I will keep you guys updated. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on AMP guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and also comment down below, when are you guys expecting AMP to hit the 1 cent target? Is it over the coming hours, days, weeks, months, whenever it is? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.